So let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is right now sitting at 117,900. It is getting loaded. I'll show it to you, but it is right now loading. Now it's loaded 117,970. And I think that this is pretty much understandable because we just went almost towards $120,000. It went towards 118,869. So it missed out by $1,200. We have a target of 120. It has missed it out, but at least it is holding that area very well. Now it is going to get tricky in a sense that there are certain things that is going to have an impact on Bitcoin, and we are going to discuss those, of course. It just changed to 118. Anyway, the first thing that is going to have an impact on Bitcoin is the support level. Support level of Bitcoin, we had two pieces of support. One was 110, the most crucial area, which was acting as a resistance for months. Bitcoin would go towards 110, then it would crumble down, it would fail. It kept on happening on repeat, and that is why it is an important area for Bitcoin. But other than that, we have another support level because we had two targets. One was 115, second was 120, 115 being a mini support area. So we're going to use this area of 115 as long as it doesn't dip below 115 for more than 8 hours. We don't need to use 2 days concept with it because it's a mini support area. If it doesn't go below 115 for more than 8 hours, we would expect it to still go up and hit that 120. 120 is a psychological target. I think that it's reasonable. We have missed it out by 1200, so there is still room for it to go and hit that. Other than that, the other thing that is crucial is that now weekend has started. It's 3 a.m. here in Toronto right now, so it's Saturday. In Asia, it is already Saturday and it is daytime. So generally the volume disappears over the weekend, and when the volume disappears, it is really hard to keep stable journey up. You can have wicks, but you cannot have the bodies of the candles going up because you cannot inject crazy amount of money into the market. And considering that now Bitcoin pretty much relies on ETF, it is not the money from crypto that goes into Bitcoin, it is the US dollar from the banks that goes into Bitcoin. Considering that they are off and ETF takes 2 days off, Saturday and Sunday, I don't expect anything crazy to happen over the weekend. Other than that, as long as 115 is intact, dream for 120 stays alive. If we lose 115, then it is back to square one, which is 110, and that's Bitcoin for you. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.